fish him, Daddy? Give it to your brothers.
My turn.
Winnie, come here. Winnie. Winnie.
Come here.
What's wrong? Oh my gosh, it's frozen. Our snowman is froze.
I bet if we blew it up right now.
Oh. Get off of it, guys. It'll hurt you. Yeah. That's crazy.
Pretty cold.
I can lick it.
Winnie loves the snow.
Winnie! Can I get the ice out?
She peed right beside the back door and left yellow snow, and it made me laugh. I showed the
Whoa,
boys.
that's yummy. Don't want it. Nice. I know Winnie's done it. Baby's ready.
Oh, don't hit her in there with the ice. I'll hurt.
I'm thirsty.
Is that your snow cone, Gavin?
Just remember, Gavin, don't eat the yellow snow.
Winnie! Go, Winnie, go! Hey! That's what you get for throwing it out at me.
Good night, guys.
Winnie, Gavin.
Oh, you okay?
Thanks.
That's pretty.
Go, Winnie, go! Go, Winnie! Look at her go. Hi, Winnie! She loves it. She's like, I've been cooped up in the house.
Put my hat on. You got me.
Uh-oh, Zane. Uh-oh, he fell right in the water. You okay? Get out of the water, dude. No mail right now. It's okay.
You can't open it.
Oh, the mailbox is frozen?
Yeah, it's frozen. Oh gosh, it is.
No mail today.